Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to another animal coin hunt. This one has been designated as ACH 23. The first two coins are from Iceland. One is from the year 2001, the other is from the year 2007. They are both 100 krona coins. On the obverse of the one which is on the left here, we have a quartered shield with 4 mythological characters from Icelandic history. You also have the year and the country. And on the reverse we have a lump fish. This lump fish is, and you also have the value of 100 krona. For the 2001 coin we have a mintage of 2,140,000. The 2007 coin we have a mintage of 3 million. The next coin we have is from Singapore. It's a 20-cent coin from the year 1978. We have on this particular side we have the value, the year, the country and either a rice or wheat ear. On the reverse of the coin we have our animal, which is the swordfish. This particular coin, this 20-cent coin, has a mintage of 4,450,000. Next coin that I have is a scalloped edge coin. It's a 3 mils coin from 1972 from Malta. On this side we have the value and a floral surround, and on the other side we have the name of the country Malta right at the top, we have the year of 1972 right at the bottom, and we have a bee on a honeycomb in the centre, which is the animal. There are no mintages for the 1972 coin apart from a proof which is 8,000. Now I'm not sure whether this is a proof coin or not. It is an aluminium coin, so it's very difficult to they tend to be like a stay bright type thing, don't they, where you can't necessarily tell whether it's a proof or a standard coin. The next coin that I have is another scalloped edge coin, but this one's from Guernsey. It's an old threepenny bit from 1956. In the UK we had castellated brass 3p's. In Guernsey at that time they had this aluminium coin which is scalloped edged, and you've got the coat of arms of the country and you have the country name on this side, and on this side we have the name, the year, the value of 3D or threepence, and the Guernsey cow, which is the animal that we're looking for in this hunt. The mintage for this 1956 coin is quite a low mintage. It's only 500,000. This next coin is a 10-cent coin from Singapore. It's from 1969, and on this side we have the value, the year, the country and either a rice or wheat ear, as was the same with the 20-cent coin. The difference is on this 10-cent one we have a portrait or a picture of the crowned seahorse. The mintage for this 1969 10-cent coin is 25 million. We have a Queen Elizabeth II portrait. We have a lizard, and we have another portrait. These three coins are all the same values. They're from New Zealand. They are a 5-cent coin. They date from 1981, 1982 and 1989. The reverse, which is shown in the centre coin, is a sea lizard known as a tuatara, and that's Tuatara. The three mintages, 1989, which is the last year, is 36 million. 1981 was 20 million, and 1982 was 50 million. The next one we have is from its neighbouring country, which is Australia. This Australian coin is from 1978 and it's a 5 cent. On this one you have the country, the year and the portrait of the Queen. Queen Elizabeth II, of course. On the reverse we have the value of 5 cents and we have the animal, which is a short-beaked Echinda, and that's ECHINDA. The mintage of this coin from 1978 is 25,210,000. Next coin again has a portrait of Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II. It's a Canadian coin. It is a 5 cent coin from 1998. On this side is just the Queen. The other information is on the reverse. We have the country at the top. We have the year at the bottom. And in between we have the beaver, which is the animal that we're all looking for on in this hunt. Excuse me. This 1998 coin has a mintage of 156,893,000. A good old mintage there. The next one, we go across the Irish Sea from our country and we go to Ireland, or Era. We have a 5p coin from 1993. On this side we have the harp, the country and the year. On the reverse side we have the valuation of 5p at the bottom and either an ox or a bull. I'm not sure which. The mintage for this 1993 coin is 89,109,000. This next 5p also shows Her Majesty the Queen, but this one is from a territory. This is a 5p from 1986 from the Falkland Islands. On the reverse we have the value, the country and an albatross, or black-browed albatross to be precise, in flight. The mintage for this 1987 coin is just 5,000. Right. The next three also have Her Majesty the Queen Elizabeth II on it, and they're all from the same country. There are 1p coin from Gibraltar. On the front you have the year and the country name with the Queen's, start again. With these 1p coins we have 3 years of 1995, 1996 and 2012. On the obverse we have a portrait of the Queen and the year of the coin's mintage. On the reverse, which is the one in the centre, we have a rock partridge as the animal. There are no mintages for the 95, 96 or 2012 coins. Hang on a sec. The next coin shows Her Majesty the Queen, and I need to get one of my scratchy sticks out because I'm itching. This coin shows a portrait of the Queen on this side, and on the reverse is that the Falklands one? No, it's not. That's the Falklands one. On the reverse, which is that one, we have the penguins. There's two penguins with a 1 in between them. The mintage for that coin is from 1987, is 111,000. I slightly jumped the gun there because this coin in my list came before it. It is also shows Her Majesty the Queen, but it's from Canada. It is a 1 cent coin from 1967. The reverse says 100 years celebration of Canada. It has a value and the year. It has a bird in flight, which I believe might be a Canadian goose, although I'm not 100% sure. The mintage for this coin was, compared to the 111,000 for the Falklands coin, this is absolutely massive. It's 345,140,645. The penultimate coin of this hunt comes from South Africa. It's a 1 cent coin from 1971. On this side that's showing you have the coat of arms, the country and the year. On the reverse you have the value of 1 cent and you have some Cape Sparrows. The mintage for this 1971 coin is 34,053,000. And the last coin of this hunt is a crowned monogram of Olaf V. Now, Olaf V was a king of Norway, and this coin dates from 1962. It has a valuation of 2 ore, and the actual bird on there is a black grouse. We have a mintage for this 1962 coin of 6,205,000. Went wrong way. Go on, Steve, let's go. Yeah. I've rebagged all the coins from this hunt. I will be flipping them and putting them into my collection when I get a few minutes. They'll also then go up onto New Mister. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins wherever you're getting them from, I hope you can get them for the price that you want to pay. I am trying to grow this channel this year to have at least a minimum of 100 subscribers by Christmas this year. We're now at the beginning of June and I have 80 already. I'm hoping very much to grow that to 100 by the end of the year. If you can help me out by giving me the thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video, and if you have not already subscribed, could you please think about doing so. I would love to have you along for the rest of my journey through coins and banknotes, and as I say, in doing both of those you'll help me out to have, with the algorithm that YouTube uses, to hopefully have my videos put in front of people who've not seen them before. So thank you in advance for that. In closing, thanks for watching this video. I hope that you'll find one of the 4 videos next week to your liking and you'll view that. I do 4 videos a week. They're all different. And finally, from me, until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, thank you and bye bye for now. Ta-da. Bye bye. Ta-da.